On a bright and cheerful morning, Benny the bunny woke up with a stretch and a big smile.
Little Benny looked around and saw the sun shining,
the flowers blooming, and the birds singing.
Benny sang happily.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Benny clapped his little paws and the birds in the trees chirped along.
I wanna spread happiness all over the farm, Benny said, hopping excitedly. Benny hopped to the pond where Daisy the duck was splashing playfully. Daisy, are you happy today? Benny asked. Oh yes, I love to splash in the water, Daisy quacked. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Daisy stomped her webbed feet in the water, making big silly splashes. Benny giggled and stomped along. Next, Benny saw Max the puppy rolling in the soft grass, wagging his tail excitedly. I love running and playing, Max barked joyfully. If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail. Max wagged his tail as fast as he could, and Benny wiggled his fluffy bunny tail too. Daisy laughed and joined in. As Benny hopped past the barn, he saw Mia the kitten twirling in the hay. Dancing makes me so happy, Mia purred. If you're happy and you know it, spin around. Mia twirled in circles, and soon Benny, Daisy, and Max were all spinning too. The friends walked to the big oak tree, where Oliver the owl sat, watching them with wise eyes. Happiness is special when shared, Oliver hooted. You're right, let's celebrate together. Benny cheered. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray now. The whole farm shouted hooray and laughed together. Benny looked around at his friends and smiled. Happiness is everywhere when we share it. Let's keep making each other smile every day. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray with a golden sunset. And the farm was filled with laughter.